Welcome back to Top 5 Auto Repairs. Today's topic, I'm going to show you guys how to change a seat belt. Before changing the seat belt, make sure to disconnect the car battery for at least 30 minutes. You don't want to accidentally deploy the airbag. So I'm going to change the seat belt. As you can see, it won't retract. To get to the seat belt anchor bolt, start by removing the trim panel at the door area. Next, remove this trim panel. It is important to install the seat belt back in the same location, so make sure to mark it. So this part is going to be on the inside. Remove the anchor bolt. As you can see, the seat belt has a J hook, so it can only go in one way. This is the old seat belt. This is the new seat belt. Make sure to compare it. So it looks about the same. So now install it. Make sure to torque the seat belt anchor bolt to spec. Next, make sure to remove this cover. And you have access to the anchor bolt. So again, make sure to mark the seat belt. As you can see, this one has a slight curve. So I'm going to say this is going to be on the outside. When removing the seat belt, make sure to pay attention to the hardware. As you can see, this one has a metal bushing. If you're having a hard time getting the new seat belt to extend, it's because the new seat belt is at an angle or at an awkward position. It is important that the seat belt sits up vertically like this so you can extend it. If it's at an angle like this, you're going to see that it won't extend and it will start to lock. So again, set it vertically and it should extend. Make sure to install the metal bushing, and again, make sure to torque the anchor bolt to manufacturer specs. Next, disconnect the yellow wire. This is going to be for the airbag. And again, make sure to mark the seat belt so you know this part is facing on the outside. And also remove this anchor bolt and this anchor bolt. The new seat belt is installed, and again, make sure to torque the anchor bolt. While you're here, make sure to inspect the spot weld on the bracket, because if you got into an accident and you're changing the seat belt, the spot weld can actually break during a collision. So it is important to inspect this part. So it's going to be 1, 2, and 3 spot weld. So the junkyard seat belt is working fine and the seat belt is retracting. Also, make sure to save your old seat belt, because the seat belt strap is made of good material and it is strong enough to lift an engine. I hope you found this repair lesson informative. As always, thank you for watching and subscribe to Top 5 Auto Repairs.